Pulling up now. Look at this beast. We drove it around, yeah. LS power, brother. Look at that alignment. Look at this, got some nice part shop max. Control arms. What kind of coilovers we got here? I can't see.
Something that's not made anymore. Some Japan DG2s or something. DG5.
DG5 coilovers. Digging the white and red, but Holley EFI system. Thing chops hardcore. Love Taylor started up here in a little while. Wide body, everything's cut, tubed. Hey, it has bumpers.
We don't need bumpers.
I like that. I like that bumper a lot. So, you're gonna crack it again.
Well, I hope it takes longer than just bringing it home, because it cracked here on.
Oh, did it really?
Putting it in the.
Well, you probably
We had to put
strap it down too hard.
It's a tight frozen. We had to put it. No, we had to put it in the car.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Everything.
Oh, it's a fancy strip tower bar.
Yeah, no, it's too fancy for me.
Yeah. Let's see what's going on. There's just the fuel safe right there. That's awesome.
It's not plumbed.
Go ahead and take a seat. Oh, you kept your wheel?
He wanted to keep his wheel.
Oh, that's not necessarily a bad thing. It's a journey to get in here. It's quite the ways in. I like it. Oh, the sweet Lone Star Drift banner. Hell yeah, brother. I like it. That shift knob is rather large.
The shifter feels so good though. And it has reverse lockout, so you gotta be on the brake to get it in.
I like it. I like it. I got you, bud. Oh, yeah, I think you got it. What's the harness?
I don't know.
Oh, think about it. Oh, those are nice.
I don't like them.
They're nice.
I don't like
Well, if you don't like them, I can have them.
They are not comfortable. It's like it hits me in the collarbone just like trying to...
Well, go ahead and get some new ones.
I want to get some G-forces because they were more comfortable.
Well, hurry up and get them so I can have those. I'll give you $50. Still idles better than my car. see what the lock is. Turn it to lock. Is that locked? Solid. Absolutely solid.
You think? Yeah.
Does it work at 5,000 RPM and above? That's all that matters.
Let it roll back just a hair.
Well, that's probably all it's tuned for is, yeah.
Watch me get out of this. Let it roll back some hair before you get out.
There you go. Come on. Crawl on out. Don't hit your head. Nice.
It only was really hard. Just to load my car.
You need to get some Lexan windows.
That other door has two more doors. Yeah, give me two more doors.
Nice.
With windows. But, geez, that was a pain.
Yeah, looked like it, for sure.
Like I said, it either wants to go or it does not want to go.
The rear fitment makes me feel good about my car, though.
Yeah, it's good. It's in there. But he has it lowered. Like, I guess his son is the one, he wanted it lower, like the car lower in the back.
Yeah.
And so he just kind of tucked it. But
Oh yeah, so you get more traction whenever you're on throttle.
that's just how we like it set up. Sounds like we're at Monster Jam with that.
So what's your thoughts on the car?
It is too rowdy right now for me to drive. I need to get some practice in, and I can give you another update. But as of right now, this car is nuts.
Jesus.
So, real opinion pending. Currently garbage.
Currently rowdy.
Super rowdy.
Well, she looks sick. She sounds sick. She looks like she's gonna skid like crazy. I think you'll be good.
I think she'll do good. Me, on the other hand.